the neglect of practical life skills such as cooking, cleaning, and home maintenance. Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to talk about a pressing issue in our education system: the neglect of practical life skills, such as cooking, cleaning, and home maintenance. For many years, schools have focused on academic subjects such as mathematics, science, and language arts, while practical life skills have been pushed to the wayside. However, these skills are essential for everyday life and are necessary for students to become self-sufficient and successful adults. Firstly, let us consider the importance of cooking. The ability to cook nutritious and delicious meals is not only crucial for one's health, but it is also a practical and cost-effective way to save money. However, many students graduate high school without basic cooking skills, and as a result, are often left to rely on fast food or takeout, which can be expensive and unhealthy. Moreover, cleaning and home maintenance are essential life skills that are often overlooked in the education system. Many students do not know how to clean a house or apartment properly, which can lead to unsanitary living conditions. Furthermore, basic home maintenance skills, such as changing a light bulb or fixing a leaky faucet, can save individuals a significant amount of money in repairs and maintenance costs. Furthermore, the neglect of practical life skills in schools can have long-lasting effects on individuals and society as a whole. Students who do not learn basic life skills are often left feeling unprepared for adult life and may struggle to adjust to independent living. This can result in financial hardships and difficulties maintaining a healthy lifestyle, which can have a ripple effect on society. To address the neglect of practical life skills in schools, it is crucial to integrate these skills into the education system. This includes implementing classes and workshops that teach students basic cooking, cleaning, and home maintenance skills. By providing students with practical life skills education, we can equip them with the tools necessary to become self-sufficient and successful adults. Moreover, it is essential to provide support and resources for students who may not have access to practical life skills education at home. This includes providing access to community programs and resources that offer classes and workshops on practical life skills. Furthermore, it is crucial to address the societal stigma associated with practical life skills education. Many people believe that these skills are menial or unimportant, but in reality, they are essential for daily living. By promoting the value and importance of practical life skills education, we can change the narrative and ensure that these skills are given the attention and resources they deserve. In conclusion, the neglect of practical life skills such as cooking, cleaning, and home maintenance in the education system has had significant consequences on individuals and society as a whole. It is crucial that we integrate these skills into the education system and provide support and resources for students who may not have access to practical life skills education at home. By promoting the value and importance of practical life skills education, we can ensure that students are equipped with the tools necessary to become self-sufficient and successful adults. Thank you. Thank you for visiting Bitesized Essentials. Be sure to follow our page and like and subscribe to our videos for more nuggets of wisdom. And click on Receive All Updates.